Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno for Lite, and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and now let's scroll to the users and accounts. Let's tap here. Now let's choose the account you want to remove. In my case it will be the Gmail account, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on this two dots icon and click on remove account. Click on remove account. If you are sure, click on OK. We have to verify that it is me, so if you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter it. And as you can see, the Google account simply disappears. In order to add new one, simply tap on add account, choose Google obviously, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Click on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. Now click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, just tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here we've got the info. Let's click on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so click on accept. And as you can see, the Google account immediately appears in the users and accounts section. So that's all. This is how to add and remove a Google account from your OPPO Reno for Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.